Hey folks, my name is Luke. I'm one of the co-founders of DataKit. And in this demo, I want to show you how you can view, query, visualize, and analyze your data with ease, all in your browser. So very private, very secure, and very easy to use and very quick. So in this example, you can upload, 10 gigabyte CSVs if you want, or Excel files. But we're going to just import a remotely hosted file with the Titanic's passenger data. So here you can see how quick and rapid DataKit is in terms of opening up pretty large data sets. You can also inspect the data quality, spot if there's any duplicates, see how many rows and columns there are, and orient yourself with the data itself. So here we can see a ratio in terms of the gender breakdown of the passengers here, which is quite helpful just in terms of getting a sense of what data you have at your disposal. You can also take it a step further and start querying your data. So if you're comfortable with writing SQL queries from scratch, you can do so here in our SQL editor. But you can also have a helping hand in terms of looking at the database fields and columns and just copy these in to help use the right naming conventions for the columns in your query. If you're not that familiar with writing SQL queries, you can also use a natural language prompt here, where we will convert this into SQL and allow you to execute that prompt and get the data results that you want. But if you want to take it a step further, you can also use our AI data assistant. So here I'm going to sign in. I already have an account, so I'll just use this one here. So let's sign in. And we've connected to an LLM. In this one, we're going to use Claude Sonnet, but we can also use ChatGPT and Grok as well. You can paste in your own API keys if you like. But what I'm super curious about is, where did the passengers embark from, i.e. which ports, and how many passengers per port? So I've sent this query. Claude's going to do a bit of analysis. You can see that auto execute is on, so it's very similar to those code editors. It will run the first generated query automatically if this setting is enabled. And you can see Southampton, Cherbourg, Queenstown are the main ports that folks embarked on the Titanic from. But I want to take it a step further. I want to include this in one of my research reports. So I'm going to visualize this data. So it's going to generate a visualization. This is something I can share with my colleagues, with my professor, with my peers. And I can download this nice visualization as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or CSV, whatever format suits you best. You can also generate charts on the fly. So here you can see we've used the x-axis field as the gender of the passengers, y-axis number of those that survived, as well as sum them up and generate this chart. You can configure the style of the chart as well and transform it a wee bit. And you can also choose different formats and visualizations as well. You can upload many different data sets. So if you want, you can have a number of different tabs here. And as always, we're super keen to see how you guys want to use DataKit. You can share some feedback here in the top right corner. You can join our community if you want to chat to myself and Amin directly. And you can peruse our documentation if you want to locally host DataKit yourself. So thanks for listening, and excited to see what you get up to data-wise. All the best.